Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's TECHTIP. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. I am super excited about this one, teachermade.com. This converts all of your paper assignments and worksheets into digital activities delivered online through Google Classroom. So you first need to set up an account. So when you go to teachermade.com, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and then click here to set up your free TeacherMade account today. I had already set up an account. So after you get registered and you verify your email, you are going to be directed right here and you'll click on Get Started. So then you will title your assignment, whatever the paper worksheet is. And I grabbed one of my husband's for his AP US History class. And I'm just going to call this AP US History. And then you could enter a description, whatever this is. I'm just going to enter in AP US. And then you just upload your worksheet here where you could pick another file and find where you saved it and upload it. And then you're going to go to Create Worksheet. Takes a couple seconds. And then it takes you to this screen. So here is where you could digitize this entire worksheet. So right here for name, you just click on text box and you click and drag in. So this will allow the students to type in here. Okay, and I'm just going to do that for the rest of these. But it has other features such as drop-down boxes, true and false, matching, and so on. So you could do any of this to digitize your worksheet. So I'm going to scroll down. And then I'm going to insert another one. And another one. And then when you're done, see it automatically saves. So I'm just going to X out here. It'll bring me to the screen where all of mine are saved. And then I'm going to go to create an assignment, use a Google account, and then you could select how it's going to be scored and show scores to the students when they submit their work, and then just create assignment and then share to your Google Classroom. And it's as simple as that. So really cool. Teachermade.com. Check it out. Hey Bulldogs, this is a really cool website that has all the classroom tools at your fingertips, classroomscreen.com. So you'll go to this website and then click on Launch Classroom. So when you launch the classroom screen, it'll take you to this right here. And you can pick and choose what you want to add in for your daily activities for the day for your class. So I could enter in text, and this could be your daily objective that you're typing in here, list of things to do, whatever you'd want. And then you could just list them there. You could edit the font and the sizes all up here in the editing toolbar. Okay, I could add in, if I go to media, if you have video clips or anything you want the students to watch or anything you're using throughout the day, you could just paste in right here, YouTube link, and then you click play and it adds it in there. You have to use this little handle to move things. And then there is a clock up here you could insert in. We have a calendar, you have a stopwatch, so if you're doing timed activities, we have a timer right here. So set the timer if you're doing timed activities, you have 10 minutes to complete this, and then you just press start and it'll count them down so students can see up on the board how much time they have left. We also have QR codes right here where you click on and it'll generate a QR code to take you to whatever link you'd like to link this to, whether it's a web class or Google Classroom or Google. You just type in the web address of where you want this to link to, and students would use their phones to scan it and take them to wherever you would like. There's also the random name generator. This is good too, if you're calling on random students or whatever you'd like to do. So who's doing the dishes tonight? Just click choose. It'll generate through. There we go. Looks like Avery's doing the dishes. So this is really cool, fun, interactive way where you could have all of your daily list of things to do in your classroom right here on one screen for one easy click. Hey Bulldogs, I'm going to show you a fun tech tip for changing the bullets. So right here, if you want to add a bulleted list, you just simply click on that and it adds the boring old dots. And if you click on this, it gives you some more options that you could choose from. However, there's a fun way that you could find more options. So you're going to click on Format, go to Bullets and Numbering, List Options, and go to More Bullets. And here we could add emojis as our bullets. Just another fun way to add a little flair to your Google Docs.